A deep look into Jeff Bezos' investment portfolio history. Welcome to the Fancy Investor YouTube channel. The size and diversity of Jeff Bezos' investment portfolio are enormous. You'll be astonished to discover that he has investments in a number of major corporations. In 1998, 4 years after founding Amazon.com, Bezos made an early $250,000 stake in Google. This $250,000 investment produced 3.3 million shares of Google stock, which are now worth around $3.1 billion. In 2005, Jeff established Bezos Expeditions, an investment firm to manage his own interests. Watch till the end to find out why Jeff Bezos is worth a fortune. Here are his top 7 investments. 1. Real estate. Bezos holds large portions in more conventional investments like real estate. Bezos owns 2 lavish residences in Beverly Hills worth several $million dollars, in addition to a 10,000 square foot penthouse in Manhattan's Century Tower that he paid just under $10 million for. He also has a lakefront home in Washington State where he paid $28 million to add over 30,000 square feet of living area. His aerospace business, Blue Origin, purchased his 165,000-acre corn ranch in Texas to use it as its headquarters and as a testing ground for its manned spacecraft, New Shepard rocket. He has properties on both the east and west coasts for his own use. Amazon paid $1.5 billion in 2012 to acquire its very own South Lake Union headquarters building in Seattle, becoming one of the biggest business property owners in the area. 2. Domo. In 2013, Bezos invested $60 million in Domo, a U.S. cloud computing firm. In 2018, the firm raised $193 million through its IPO, exceeding analyst predictions. The company's top investor at the end of 2021 was David Atterbury's Whetstone Capital Advisors, whose shares were worth $61.8 million. The number of hedge funds with ownership positions in Domo increased from 27 in the first quarter to 25 overall in the second quarter. The market value of those interests is $345.1 million. The stock is now trading at $75 per share, giving the business a market capitalization of $2.432 billion as of June 2021. 3. Twitter. Twitter is now quite different from what it was when Bezos first invested in it, some 15 years ago. It has evolved into a platform for presidential campaigns and a tool to control stock prices for other billionaires in Bezos' sphere. When Twitter wasn't yet publicly traded, Bezos Expeditions invested $15 million in the firm in 2008. Do you think he made a fancy investing move? Let us know your opinion in the comments below. 4. Plenty. Plenty is an agricultural technology firm that creates plant science to enable crops to thrive in an environment free of pesticides and GMOs. Along with Bezos, Eric Schmidt, a prominent American IT billionaire and former chairman of Google, has invested in Plenty. Bezos Expeditions made a $200 million investment in the AG Tech business. Bezos was drawn to the company's innovation techniques for producing crops vertically with plants sprawling outward. You may have seen their vertical farms, which produce crop yields up to 350 times larger than conventional techniques while utilizing only 1% of the water utilized in traditional agriculture. 5. Air Transport Service Group. One of the businesses Bezos is investing in is the American Airlines holding firm Air Transport Service Group. He invested in the business for $135 million in exchange for 13.5 million shares. But by the end of 2021, Amazon had increased its ownership in Air Transport Services Group by almost 40%, holding a $335 million share. A portion of Amazon's aircraft activities is also managed by the corporation. 6. Airbnb. A well-known name in the hotel industry appears on the list of investments. Airbnb. Jeff Bezos staked an early wager on Airbnb Incorporated in 2011. Bezos contributed a total of $112 million to the San Francisco-based distributor of the sector. The home-sharing platform's quick expansion has been pushed even further by this investment. With an investment of $100 to $10,000, ordinary investors may become fractional owners of single-family rental homes through the real estate investing website Arrived Homes. 7. Uber. According to our information, Bezos personally invested $3 million in Uber for a share that is now reportedly worth $400 million. Benchmark, which put $30 million into the project, will likely profit by about $7.9 billion. When the well-known commute app went public in 2019, it was valued at $82.4 billion at $45 a share. As of June 2021, Uber's share price was $48.89, giving it a market valuation of more than $93 billion. Thanks for watching our video. Let us know in the comments below what you think about Jeff's portfolio. If you want to see more videos like this, then smash the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads. This is the Fancy Investor Channel. Stay safe and stay woke, and happy investing to all. Goodbye.